Want to get the sharpest videos and highest quality photos from your iPhone camera? Here are the best settings to change right now. First, open Settings and tap Camera. Under Record Video, switch to 4K at 30 frames per second for crisp footage. For Record Slow Mo and Record Cinematic, also choose 4K to match your main video quality. Then tap Record Sound and turn on Spatial Audio, so your recordings capture immersive sound. Next, go back and tap Formats. Choose Most Compatible for photo capture so your images work everywhere. If you shoot ProRAW for advanced editing, toggle Apple ProRAW on. Otherwise, leave it off to save space. Still in Camera Settings, tap Preserve Settings and enable Creative Controls. This keeps your aspect ratio, exposure, and other dial-in settings locked in between shots. Now open the Camera app. Swipe up or tap the arrow at the top and change the aspect ratio from 4:3 to 16:9. This widescreen format matches social media and gives you a larger preview. Plus, it stays set thanks to Creative Controls. With these tweaks, you'll harness your iPhone's full camera power for photos, videos, and everything in between. If this helped you, please tap like, share your favorite camera tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.